Okay, we got rid of those nasty TC marks, so nobody's gonna know those are twin cam now. Those are now special limited edition racing pushrod covers.
That's right.
Factory original.
Very,
Very rare. I saw that on eBay.
Yeah,
very,
exactly.
Very rare. That's just very rare.
Very.
Okay, these we're gonna have to cut down because they don't fit. I'm thinking about 20 thou probably wouldn't hurt. So it looks like we're somewhere in the 40-ish area maybe. And that was up to around 55. Maybe that's why it didn't fit. Okay, we have to find a new tool now. Because this one doesn't work.
Nope.
Look what you did in my tool. You got these wear marks. I can hardly read it. 9/16.
Oh wow.
Eat up my tool.
That cork really does damage.
That doesn't fit. Use some metric tools now. We got metric tools so I don't care about. They don't work. Too small. Nope, that doesn't work. Something small. Something like a 3/8 American. Foreign stuff there. It's a brand new socket with another mark on it. Fix that problem. We'll take care of that.
Exactly.
That one was undersold. Fall off. Okay, so that's a specialty tool. Now, okay, we got a problem with that too. Look at that. Piece of crap. Where'd you get this from?
Original.
Piece of crap. Look at that. It's like it's made for it. There's a different size on these things between the two. See? No clearance on these.
Mm-hmm.
They make them about 10 thou different on purpose to keep you from mixing the wrong direction.
Tight springs.
Well, they are tight springs. That's the O-ring though. It's a little tight. That's good. That is sharp right there. Did you not deburr those very well?
I told you one of them was sharp.
Oh, it's not bleeding yet, so let's be alright. Can't be that sharp. It's not bleeding yet. That O-ring's just a little snug. It's sharp though in my hand. It's just a little. A little snug. Someone did an inferior grinding job on that one. To bring this out of retirement. Needs about another 3 to 5 thou taken off. Not that much.
150?
150 is the max. Yeah, definitely getting low at 150 PSI.
Yeah, exactly.
Was it going to 178? Oh, look at that. Look, it's made for it. Like a tattoo almost.
Right?
These are junk. Where'd you get these from? These is crap. The new ones. Okay, this is the nastiest looking one here. Look at that. They don't go on very easy, do they?
Not with one hand.
Takes two hands and some other parts. Good job, you almost got it.
Just starting it for you. Huh?
You have to actually pull up and turn it over. Good thing these are neoprene cork, not full cork.
Yeah. A tear.
They have to be stretchy. So you can see how it's underneath the... So you got plenty of room for cork settling. Because they will settle a lot. Especially a lot of tension on it. Okay, where's your appropriate push rod at? Looks like somebody mixed everything all up over here. I don't know.
Sounds about right.
Who did all that? Ooh, that's terrible. Let's see. Straight, straight, and straight. Looking that these two here are longer than these two, you think?
I would agree.
So that means they go like this. This one appears to be the one that's got the most oil on it. Probably the last one that was installed. Some more oil on there just for me. I like being oily.
Exactly.
Okay, where's the one that looks the crappiest? Definitely this one. Just fits. How many turns we're going down?
4.5.
4.5.
4.
Why 4.5?
I don't know.
Half-assed.
Yeah, exactly.
So when we start on this project, it's 10:30.
A while ago.
Okay, that's 0. But it's not 0. You know why it's not 0?
Because you're not seated.
Because we're on this cylinder, not that cylinder.
Right.
That's on the overlap stroke. This is on the real stroke. You can almost get to that. It's actually it's gonna be hard. Where's the other intake at? Let's go with this one. This is the next worst one. It's one with the black all over from the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
So we'll put that next to the carburetor.
Perfect.
It'll confuse everybody, they'll never know. You'll think it's an intake leak, and
Exactly.
not an exhaust leak. Doesn't fit.
Coming from the side.
Can you get on that side? I'm on this side. No.
That may help.
The extra 2 turns
Yeah.
makes a difference.
Big difference.
Remember that next time. 2 turns makes a difference. So that we had these made special.
We did. Then we had to re-customize them.
2 turns from not working.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to do a lot of customizing on these things. Nothing fits. Okay, I have to go up here now. 0. Look at that. It's flush. Okay. How many wrenches are we going to use today? Okay, so we're going to go in how many turns? So we're going to hold it here because it's available to be used. Half. 1. 1.5. 2. 2.5. 3. 3.5. 4. How far do we go?
4 turns.
4 turns.
And the max is 6.
The bottom's out at 6, give or take. Now we run the nut all the way up. Run out of room. There, I just hit it. Okay, so now we're going to have to figure out how we're going to get this thing way up in there.
Want me to hold it?
The cork is in the way right now. Okay, come over here. Okay, I can't see where the flat is, so it looks like it's right here. Somewhere. Right there's the flat. So, if you go on this side, when we tighten the nut together, it'll be tight. There's another. There it is. So as I squeeze, it gets tight. Yeah. Make sure everything's pushed in so you can really tighten the piss out of it. Is that tight?
Yes.
Like my holder, my cover holder. So I think we're maximizing that location. Okay, can we turn the motor over? Or the pushrod turn? Yeah, it turns. Good deal. Plug fit. Okay. Okay, what length is that? I told you something around 2.8.
Mm-hmm.
Guess where we're at?
2.8.
2.8. What do we got?
2.8.
2.4. 3.3. Got a lot of trimming to do. Or we got to take the 3s wherever they went to. Cut those down, but we already saved all your other parts. So someone's going to be grinding a lot. He's got to go down to initially like 2.9. So I got way down to here. I'm going to cut off 3/8 of an inch. And we'll see if we can put them together with that. I'm not sure how much tension we're going to have on there. And this is on the shortest one, which is the intake. The exhaust will be a little bit longer.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if we can get a 3-incher in here or not. Maybe, but it'll be tight. So that doesn't look too far different from a panhead.
Yeah. I think that's a good result.
It's just the panhead clip's a little short, that's all.
Yeah, just a little.
Alright, so that worked halfway decent. So that was very hard to get in. This is going to be our worst one because it's the tallest.
Yeah.
And this one's not the lowest. We're close to the lowest, so it's going to get worse, not better. Something to look forward to.
Exactly.
Maybe we should put this on too.
Yeah, that would help.
How about the cork inside the hole? Put that also?
Mm-hmm.
Get everything in there?
Yeah. Might as well.
See if
Might
that's
as well
all
not
up.
get it right.
See, that just disappeared up in the hole.
Right.
pushrod disappeared up in the hole. Yeah, we're just going to take a couple hours to throw this motor together. Yeah, sure, no problem. That's not zero, Sam. That's zero. Put the wrench flat so we can get a hold of them. Let's see. Quarter inch. This would be hard to do with the valve covers on.
Yeah.
Good luck in doing it. How many was that?
Half. 1. 1.5. 2.
Came back a little bit.
Yeah. 2.5. 3. 4.
Sure.
Yes.
Get back to video. How far is it not going to go up in there? All the way.
Right.
See the nut?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Where's the push rod? A lot higher
A little
up.
higher up.
Can't see the. Where's the flaps at?
Other way, I think. Put them taken into the motor.
No. There, it keeps turning up. There it goes. There might be a little tension involved there. So if you put the wrench this way, you can just squeeze your hand and your grip. Make sure you tighten them up good. See how I push in and together, that keeps the wrench from pulling out.
Right.
You get some serious tension on it. See how it wobbles a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't care. Some people get picky about that. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. Nobody said anything was precision on a Harley. Okay. Which length we're going to have this time? Okay, that's pretty good tension there. It's coming down with me a little bit too, but about 2.8 again. It pulled down a little bit, but I think 2.8 is probably pretty close. You can probably squeeze 2.9 in the back with not decent, but I'd say cut it to 2.9. We'll try shoving on the intake, see how much tension we got. And then if you don't like it, we can cut more off. Cut it to 2.8. There's no way you're going to get a 3 on that thing.
No.
Okay, so now we finally get to turn the motor over again after 3-4 hours. Okay, what are we looking for?